हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में। आगे बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि अपलोड किए गए सारे लेक्चर्स की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल पाए। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है, वो मेरी सलाह को नहीं मानता। He doesn't act on my advice. He doesn't act on my advice. प्लीज थोड़ा और लीजिए। प्लीज हैव अ लिटिल मोर। प्लीज हैव अ लिटिल मोर। मैं आपकी सेवा में हाजिर हूँ। आई एम एट योर सर्विस। आई एम एट योर सर्विस। नेक्स्ट है, तुम्हें हल्के सामान के साथ यात्रा करनी चाहिए। यू शुड ट्रैवल लाइट। यू शुड ट्रैवल लाइट। भाग्य के सामने कोई नहीं टिक सकता। भाग्य मीन्स फेट। Nobody can stand against fate. Nobody can stand against fate. तुम गरीबों पर दया नहीं करते। You don't show pity on the poor. You don't show pity on the poor. आज तपतपाती गर्मी है। It's a blistering heat today. It's a blistering heat today. ध्यान दीजिए। ध्यान दीजिए। Please pay attention. Please pay attention. माफ करें, आपको कष्ट हुआ। Sorry to hurt you. Sorry to hurt you. मेरे पास केवल 3 छुट्टियां हैं। I have only 3 leaves in my credit. I have only 3 leaves in my credit. नेक्स्ट है, आराम से बैठिए। Feel at home. या आप कह सकते हैं be comfortable. Feel at home और be comfortable. आप मुझे बोलने दो। Let me speak. Let me speak. आपने हम पर बहुत कृपा की। It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. सोचने के लिए वक्त दीजिए। Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. मुझे मौत से डर नहीं लगता। I am not afraid of death. I am not afraid of death. हमने टॉस किया, हेड आया। We tossed the coin, it came down heads. We tossed the coin, it came down heads. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए। You must be ashamed. You must be ashamed. तुम्हारी ऐसा करने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? हिम्मत means dare. How dare you do so? How dare you do so? अगर वो तुम्हें पैसे वापस न दे तो? What if he doesn't return you the money? What if he doesn't return you the money? अगर वो तुमसे बात न करे तो? What if he doesn't talk to you? What if he doesn't talk to you? मुश्किल से 10 रुपए होंगे मेरे वॉलेट में। There would hardly be rupees 10 in my wallet. There would hardly be rupees 10 in my wallet. मैंने इस साल शायद ही कोई छुट्टी ली है. I have hardly taken a leave this year. I have hardly taken a leave this year. नेक्स्ट है, शिक्षा इंसान को सभ्य बनाती है. Education makes one civilized. सभ्य means civilized. Education makes one civilized. होनी को कौन टाल सकता है? Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? अपने दिल को कैसे समझाऊं? How do I convince my heart? या आप कह सकते हैं How shall I convince my heart? How do I convince my heart? और How shall I convince my heart? तुमने कचरे को जलवाया है. कचरे के लिए हम कहते हैं garbage. You have got the garbage burnt. You have got the garbage burnt. काश उसे मेरे दुख का एहसास होता. I wish he had the feel of my pain. I wish he had the feel of my pain. आप में से कितने मॉर्निंग वॉक पर जाते हैं? How many of you go on a morning walk? How many of you go on a morning walk? नेक्स्ट है, पैसा देना आसान है, लेना बहुत मुश्किल. It's easy to lend money but very difficult to take back. It's easy to lend money but very difficult to take back. मेरे पास कल भी पैसे नहीं थे, आज भी नहीं हैं. I have never had money. I have never had money. आज के बाद मुझे कभी फ़ोन मत करना. Don't ever call me again. Don't ever call me again. क्या हो अगर वो तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दे तो? What if she breaks your heart? What if she breaks your heart? जिंदगी हमें शायद दूसरा मौका न दे. Maybe life doesn't give us another chance. Maybe life doesn't give us another chance. नेक्स्ट है, उसने पुलिस को सूचित कर दिया. He reported to police. और आप कह सकते हैं He informed the police. He informed the police. मैं इस मामले में चश्मदीद गवाह हूँ. चश्मदीद आई विटनेस. I am an eyewitness in this case. I am an eyewitness in this case. अपराधी को बरी कर दिया गया. The criminal was acquitted. या आप कह सकते हैं The accused was acquitted. The criminal was acquitted और The accused was acquitted. वो भी क्या दिन थे कसम से. How beautiful the days were really. How beautiful the days were really. आप भी क्या इंसान हो सच में. How great a person you are really. How great a person you are really. क्या हो अगर वो तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दे तो? What if he breaks your heart? What if he breaks your heart? अगर वो आपकी बात न माने तो? What if he doesn't obey you? What if he doesn't obey you? वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका न दे. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. कितना बदल गया तू. How changed you are. How changed you are. नेक्स्ट है समय कितना बदल गया है. How changed the time is. How changed the time is. काश तुम मेरे होते. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. पागल हो गया है क्या तू? Are you mad or what? Are you mad or what? जो हो रहा है होने दो. Let happen whatever is going on. या आप कह सकते हैं Let nature take its course. Let happen whatever is going on. या Let nature take its course. यादें आज भी धुंधली नहीं हुई हैं. Memories are not yet vanished. Memories are not yet vanished. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की पर सब बेकार. I tried a lot but all in vain. I tried a lot but all in vain. मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई की पर सब बेकार. I studied a lot but all in vain. I studied a lot but all in vain. शायद ही किसी ने मुझे ढूंढने की कोशिश की हो. I don't think if someone tried to look for me. I don't think if someone tried to look for me. वो शायद ही कभी मुझसे मिल पाए. I don't think if he could ever meet me. I don't think if he could ever meet me. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will leave no stone unturned. या आप कह सकते हैं I will not leave any stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned or I will not leave any stone unturned. आपने चप्पलें उल्टी पहन रखी हैं. You have put on your slippers wrong sides. You have put on your slippers wrong sides. नेक्स्ट है आपकी चप्पलें उल्टी पड़ी हुई हैं. Your slippers are lying upside down. Your slippers are lying upside down. काश मैं घर जा पाता. I wish I could go home. I wish I could go home. काश मैं आपसे मिल पाता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. मैं ये दिल से करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. मैं आपको दिल से पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ. I want to teach you wholeheartedly. I want to teach you wholeheartedly. आज मैं किसी तरह बच गया. I somehow escaped today. I somehow escaped today. मुझे ये 10 रुपए का पड़ा. It cost me rupees 10. It cost me rupees 10. हमारे बीच कुछ नहीं है. There is nothing between us. There is nothing between us. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? नेक्स्ट है, उसने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong has he done to you? What wrong has he done to you? किसी ने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong has anyone done to you? What wrong has anyone done to you? इसमें तुम्हारा क्या बिगड़ेगा? What wrong can it cause to you? What wrong can it cause to you? वो तुम्हारा साथ देगा ही. He will obviously support you. या आप कह सकते हैं He will obviously help you. He will obviously support you और He will obviously help you. वो तो वहाँ जाएगा ही. He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. उसने ही तो ये कहा था. It was he who had said it. It was he who had said it. राम ही तो यहाँ आया था. It was Ram who had come here. It was Ram who had come here. वह फिसलकर गिर गया. He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. वह कुएं में फिसलकर गिर गया. He slipped and fell into the well. He slipped and fell into the well. जुबान फिसल गई. It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. तुम मेरे आगे नहीं टिक सकते. You can't stand against me. You can't stand against me. ये चप्पलें ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकेंगी. These slippers are not going to stay long. These slippers are not going to stay long. नेक्स्ट है, उस पर चोरी का इल्ज़ाम है. He is accused of theft. He is accused of theft. उस पर पैसे चोरी करने का इल्ज़ाम है. He is accused of stealing money. He is accused of stealing money. ये आपकी मेहरबानी है. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. आप वास्तव में एक विनम्र व्यक्ति हैं. You are indeed a generous person. You are indeed a generous person. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, अपनी घड़ी ठीक करवाओ. Get your watch repaired. Get your watch repaired. वह कपड़े सिलाई कर रही है. She is stitching clothes. She is stitching clothes. ये लोग आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं. These people want to meet you. These people want to meet you. उसके सिर में दर्द है. He has a headache. He has a headache. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. नेक्स्ट है, उठ जाइए, 7 बज गए हैं. Please get up. It's 7 o'clock. Please get up. It's 7 o'clock. यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is to let. This house is to let. अब रोगी खतरे से बाहर है. Now the patient is out of danger. Now the patient is out of danger. ऑपरेशन थिएटर किस ओर है? Which way is the operation theatre? Which way is the operation theatre? दिन ब दिन हालात खराब हो रहे हैं. Things are deteriorating day by day. Things are deteriorating day by day. मुझे अपनी सेहत की चिंता है. I am worried about my health. I am worried about my health. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है. I am feeling giddy. I am feeling giddy. आपको मैं कैसे समझाऊं? How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? बात करके अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time by talking. Don't waste your time by talking. यह आपकी दुआओं के कारण हुआ. It's because of your good wishes. It's because of your good wishes. ये हमारा आज का लास्ट सेंटेंस था. उम्मीद है कि आज की वीडियो भी आपको पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.